everyone, and welcome back to Art with Miss Choate. I hope you're having a wonderful week so far. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making an ostrich. And so we're going to start off just very simple. It's going to be a circle with two lines coming out of it for the neck. And we're going to have fun with our colors, and we're going to, if you have oil pastels, if you have color pencils, crayons, markers, whatever you have, it's going to work. And we're just going to focus on lines and colors today, making our ostrich. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is draw a circle. Now you can trace a circle, you can do that pencil trick for the circle. We're going to be drawing it really lightly because it's just going to be our guideline for where to put our face. So I'll trace a circle this time. Remember, draw it lightly. And if you can't draw it lightly, just draw it in a color that you know you're going to be using for your ostrich. And we're going to be drawing two straight lines down for its neck. Now we're going to be putting in its face. I think about them like the number 6, the kind of eyes we're going to be doing. And you can press these a little bit harder because we're going to be going over them in marker or a darker color. So it's kind of like the number 6. So that's kind of like an eyebrow in a way. And I'll do the other one. The other one's going to mirror it. Give it some space in between. And then we're going to put it in the colored part of the eye. And since this one came out a little thicker, I'll do this one thicker as well. And see, I made a mistake on this side, but I'm just going to make it work. I'll make that one a little bit rounder. Fill this one in a little bit more so it looks a little bit more on purpose. And now we're going to draw its beak. And we're going to kind of think about it like a hill. It's going to go up in between the eyes. Start low, go up in between the eyes. Come back down. Then it's going to be curved here. So do a curve on each side, come in towards the center, and they're going to meet at a curve down lower. Now your beak can come out differently than mine because not all beaks look the same, and that's okay. If you go look up images of ostriches, they're going to have different kind of beaks, or different birds have different beaks. We're going to do those little holes in the nose here. So now we have our face, and we can go back in, we can add color once we do the outline or the colors. So now decide on what medium you want. Do you want to use oil pastel? Do you want to use color pencils, crayons, or do you want to do a bunch of mixed media? So we're going to start off by simply just drawing lines. So, you know, ostriches have those hairs that come up, and so we're going to be putting lots of lines, different lengths, different colors. So I actually decided I want to switch, and I'm going to do crayons for this one because I think they're going to blend really nice. So we want to think about what color goes really nicely into purple. I know we did this the other day. So purple is made out of red and blue. So I might start playing with my reds and my blues with my purple. And we want to have fun with it. Like, let's give it some crazy hair. We can go different lengths. And now we can start to blend in some other colors if we would like. So with this color, a good color might be like starting to go yellow to orange. Now this is kind of more of a magenta color, so it's not really a true red. So maybe I can put some, this is actually red, put some red in there. I'm trying to make sure I do some different lengths to keep it less uniform. I'm just having fun with it. Take your time. See what the colors do when they go on top of each other. Maybe you're not using all the colors for your ostrich. Obviously, those of you who know me pretty well know, or don't know me that well, know I love all the colors. So we're gonna make this guy have some crazy hair. So the one thing I kind of forgot, because I got so into the colors, is make sure those colors are going around its entire face. And you don't have to make the hair quite as long as I was. I was getting a little crazy with it. You might need to be a little bit more careful as you go around the face. I'm just going to do a blue base around my whole face. So maybe it's like kind of a blue-based bird. And I'm gonna do that around the mouth too. But I'm kind of keeping the lines the same though, like straight, frantic lines. And I'll also do it down here, starting at the neck. And for the body, I'm going to start to have my lines go like this. Now how you want to do your lines, that's up to you. Now that we're done with this crazy fur, we're just going to go ahead and color in its beak. I'm just coloring mine in orange. Remember, if you want it to look a little bit richer, a little bit more mature, color it in with more than one color so we can add layers. So I'll do that and a little bit of yellow on top. I'm just blending the two together. And I actually like how that purple outline looks with the yellow and the orange on top of it. I could go ahead and add a little bit of black, just a bit, to make it a little bit darker. And now I can go ahead and color in the eyes. Coloring in a little bit of black. Then I'm going to give him, you know, he's a lot of blue, but I'll give him a little bit more blue. And leaving the rest white. So there's my little ostrich. So I hope you had fun drawing our ostrich today with our crazy colorful hair. I hope you learned something about color mixing and blending, or at least just had fun relaxing while we made this crazy little bird. So if you liked it, please hit that like button to let me know. Comment, let me know what parts of it you liked or what you'd like to see more of so I know for future videos. And if you really, really liked it, go ahead and copy the link and share it with as many people as you think would also enjoy it. And hit that subscribe button so you get notified every day at 9 a.m. Although, kind of getting, you know when it's going to happen, right? 9 a.m. every day. So I hope to see you tomorrow for Art with Miss Choate. Bye.